In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Outlook password on PC. By the end, you'll know how to check whether your Outlook or Microsoft account password is saved in your browser and how to view it securely. Start by opening your web browser on your PC. I'll demonstrate with Google Chrome since that's where the Google Password Manager lives. Look to the top right corner of Chrome and click the three dots to open the menu. From there, go to Settings. In the Settings page, find the section labeled Autofill and Passwords. This is where Chrome stores information like saved logins, addresses, and payment methods. Next, open Google Password Manager. You can do that from the Autofill and Passwords section. This area shows all the websites and apps where Chrome has saved your usernames and passwords, as long as you previously chose to save them on this device while signed into your browser profile. Use the search bar at the top of Password Manager and type Outlook or live.com. These are common domains for Outlook and Microsoft email accounts. If you don't see a result for those, try searching for Microsoft.com, since many Outlook accounts share the same credentials as your general Microsoft account. Keep your search terms simple and check for any entries that look like your email provider's sign-in page. When you find the correct entry, click it to open the saved details. You'll see your username or email and a password field that's hidden. To reveal the password, click the eye icon next to it. For your security, Chrome will likely ask you to confirm your identity first. This could be your Windows sign-in, your device PIN, or biometric verification if enabled. This step is there to protect you, so make sure you're doing this on your own PC in a private place. Once you confirm, the password will become visible. Take a moment to verify that it's the account you intended to check. If you don't see any Outlook, Live.com, or Microsoft.com entries, that usually means the password wasn't saved in Chrome on this device. In that case, you may need to try another browser you use or go through Microsoft's official account recovery process. A few tips as you finish up. After you retrieve your password, consider updating it to something strong and unique and store it in a trusted password manager. Always lock your computer when stepping away and avoid revealing passwords when others can see your screen. That's it. You've just located your Outlook password on a PC using Google Password Manager. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you regain access quickly and safely.